from the Miraculous Medal Shrine in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A Minute with Mary. Here is Father Carl Pieper.
When Mary said yes to the angel Gabriel, she became the new Eve. What does that mean? At that moment, Mary embodied the longing for God of all of humanity. Her Maranatha, come Lord Jesus, speaks for and resonates to all of humanity, to all of us, just as Adam and Eve's no to God resonated to us. But Mary continues that yes to God even today, still asking God to enter into our human life totally. In this, Mary is the perfect model for us, especially at every moment when we call out to God for help. But do we call out to Mary and ask her to intercede for us? To say with Mary, "Come, Lord Jesus," or in our greatest fear, ask Mary to say it to God for us. Let us say with Mary, "Yes, God, I want you to become real and alive in my flesh and blood, in my life now."
Learn more about our devotion and worldwide promotion of Mary's Miraculous Medal family and get a free Miraculous Medal. Visit miraculousmedal.org.